GGPArmy, welcome back to yet another video today. Well, today we're gonna do science. GGP science is back. Oh, look at my knees. GGP science is back now. This is the first time doing a official science video. Of course, I uploaded some school stuff, science stuff, but this is the first time doing a science video without a teacher's help or something. So today we're gonna do vinegar plus baking soda equals kaboom. Yes, I don't know why I picked it. I have no clue what I was gonna do, but I picked it anyway. So we got the ingredients right. Oh god, Hannah. We got the ingredients right here. I got the baking soda. Oh my god, baking soda right there. Stuff right there, and white vinegar right there. All right. Without further ado, let's get rolling. Alright, so we're gonna test it. We're gonna test this out first because I have never done this before. First time. I don't know why I picked a hard one. But yeah, I don't know why I picked a hard one. We got the thingy right there to measure it because it's for an assessment, guys. It's literally for an assessment. So, it's due on Friday. I really gotta hurry up. I have no clue what to do. Let me do some research. Oh my god. Yeah, I have no clue what I'm gonna do. Weather? Please, this is a bad time right now. Okay, so we're putting a vinegar here. It's 1.5 tablespoon, 10 milliliters, I think. I don't know. Alright, we're putting it here. This is 1.5 tablespoon right here. And we're putting it here. There we go. No turning back now. There we got the baking soda here. We're putting 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, so this is the first attempt, totally legit, right? The first attempt. No, I'm just kidding, guys. We kind of failed on the first one. Click that like button if you want to see the first attempts, and yeah, I would call it the fails. Yes, we failed, and we're starting again. It turns out that we've been doing all wrong, but this time we should be doing all right. So yeah, click that like button if you want to see the fails. Click that like button for our sufferness, and click that like button if you want me to do more experiments. You know, seems quite fun. All right, let's go. First attempt, totally not XD. All right. So as you may see, it is nighttime. I started this video when there was sun still, so that shows you that we failed. You know, we failed our first attempts and stuff. But here's another proof. Mess everywhere. Wet everywhere. And we have the thing to measure. So yeah, click that like button if you want to see the fails. And yeah, yeet. This time we're using half of a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of vinegar, which makes it 20 milliliters, I think. I don't know math.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the
Alright guys, so we need to do the same measurements 2 more times. So enjoy the little video montage right here. You know, let's go. Let's get the explosion rolling.
If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
be it for the day, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this GameGuardPlays science video. I don't know. That took us quite a while. 4 p.m. up to 7 p.m. First science video. I'm gonna work on my assessment. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you learn from it. If you are all new, please be sure to hit that like button, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you want to see a lot of the fails. Like, I feel like there's 10 fails. Like, there should be like more than 10 fails because, oh my gosh, it was annoying. Like, literally so many fails. It was annoying. But hey, we gotten through this. Let me see how high I am. I am 60 centimeters high. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys later. Goodbye, guys.